Hey there, I'm Jacy from Zhanjiang Weida, and I'm excited to share some great news with you all. Lately, we've been getting a ton of inquiries about our banana stem fiber extraction machines, and we're ready to deliver. Zhanjiang Weida has put together an all-inclusive equipment package that's sure to meet your need. No matter if you're running a small artisanal workshop or a large industrial facility, we've got you covered. Our range includes small, medium, and large-scale models designed to fit any production scale. Whether you're looking to start small on a tight budget or aiming for maximum output, we're here to help. Just let us know your budget and production goals, and our expert team will craft a customized solution that's perfect for you. Ready to get started? Don't hesitate to reach out. Give me a call at 00861353109316 and let's turn your ideas into reality.
Nice.